Hello, I'm Chris Coburn, CEO and fourth generation owner of the Coburn's family of stores, including our Coburn's, Cashwise, Marketplace Foods, and Hornbacher stores. This is my daughter Emily, Vice President of Operations, and my son Peter, a district operator for our liquor division. From our family to yours, we want you to know that we're here for you. Our family has been in the grocery business for 99 years, and we know that you depend on us to provide important things like food and medicine for your family, and we take this responsibility seriously.
In the coming days, there will likely be even more changes, but we want to reassure you, we will remain open and ready to serve you in any way that we can. This is only possible because of our incredible store associates. Our employees are proud members of their communities, and we are truly grateful to have them on our team.
We also know that there are people in our community who are hurting right now, and we want to help. In each of the communities where we have grocery stores, we are paired up with a food shelf throughout the entire year. Today, Coburn's is announcing financial support that will be gifted to each of these food shelves that are supporting those in need in each of our communities. If you are also looking for a way that you can help support families in need in our communities, please join us. Please consider a $2, $5, or $10 donation that you can purchase as you go through the checkout at any of our locations. All of these donations will go directly towards food shelves in our communities.
My great-grandfather opened a small produce market in 1921, nearly 99 years ago, to help families put food on their tables. And today, 5 generations later, that goal remains the same. Our family wants to say thank you to you, our valued guests, to our employees and to our community, healthcare providers and emergency personnel. We know our communities are strong and we will get through this challenging time together.